You just made our day.
What exit is this? I can't remember. Anybody? Mile marker.
There's a sign that says on that road that we just crossed to get on this side, it's 1 mile to Pendleton. 1 mile south of us to Pendleton. Thank you.
We were just curious what exit number we just got off on.
We don't know. We just said that.
I have no idea.
My roommate's at a rest area somewhere in this vicinity, so I'm just curious.
I think we're gonna punch the door. Let's go punch her. Ooh, nice. I got that.
Why'd it go?
Well, there's some interesting things going on here at about the 8 o'clock, or 7 maybe.
There's a red.
Together one spot. 4. I think all we got left now is check out the car.
Oh, yeah?
Are we clear to pull out?
It's gonna be fast.
Things moving fast though.
Usually doesn't.
Yes, pretty good wind.
This is what a month in the Great Plains does to a vehicle. It's about 15,000 miles plus worth of dirt.